Ikea Kreativ. So what is that? So this is kind of a new app, the ultimate destination where interior dreams unfold. Whether you want to furnish your space or design it, got exactly what you need. You have two unique experiences: designing your own space or explore a curated collection of virtual showrooms. So uh, so you can just see here. Um, Yeah, that's kind of the idea, but I don't know where is this app. So it's kind of you can just use this app to design basically your room with all the IKEA stuff and then just buy it. Also with AI support, so super cool. It's only available in US, but I don't know where is this app. It seems it's not available in Europe. So yeah, that's just what you have.